video we are going to see the hot weather season or summer season. Due to the apparent northward movement of the sun, the global heat belt shift northward. We know the changes of the sun, the northward as well as southward, that I will explain after the completion of this lesson. Because of that one, the heat will come to north side, means the northern part side of the equator. As such, from March to May, it is hot weather season in India. The influence of the shifting of the heat belt can be seen clearly from the temperature recording taken during March to May at a different latitude. In March, the highest temperature is about 38 degrees Celsius recorded in Deccan Plateau. In April, temperature in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh are recorded 42 centigrade. And in May, temperature of 45 Celsius in common in the northwestern part of the country, means the parts of Gujarat, then Punjab, Rajasthan, that area we can see, even Haryana area we can see up to 45 degree. In the peninsular India, temperature remains lower due to the moderating influence of the ocean. From we know all three sides it is covered with ocean, so the temperature it won't go beyond 41. Normally it is coming up to 40, 41, 38, that much only. Then the summer months experiencing rising temperature and falling air pressure in the northern part of the country. Towards the end of May, and elongated low pressure area develops in the region of extending from the Thar desert in the northwest of northwest to Patna and Chota Nagpur plateau in the east of the southeast, and the circulation of the air beginning to set in around it in through. So, in the summer season, the air pressure it is becoming very less. From where? From the if you are looking here in the map, we can see it is the part of Rajasthan. From this area to it is moving to this side, Patna. Then this is the Chota Nagpur plateau. It is coming up to here. The wind circulation we can see in the summer season. Then a striking feature of the hot weather season is the low. And what is low? These are the strong, gusty, hot and dry wind blowing during the day over the north and northwestern India. In the north and northwestern India, we won't face like this winds, because it is in the local winds. It is not coming to South India normally, and it is very strong, not like a storm, but like a storm. It is strong and is gusty with full of dust. It will come, and hot and dry winds. Then sometimes they even continue until late in the evening, not only in the daytime. Normally it is happening daytime, and late evening after 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock also sometimes, some days it is continuing. Direct exposure to this wind may even prove to be fatal. Dust storms are very common during the month of May in northern India. And here if you are looking in Tamil Nadu area, I am not that much familiar about Tamil Nadu, that you know. We can see the in month of May and April or in June, like that time before starting of coming of the little bit of rain, before that we can see the wind is coming like a rounding, and with the dust it is coming up and going down, like that winds we can see. Not like that small round what we are seeing in our school ground, or not like that. It is big round winds it is coming, that also with full of dust. That is in month of May. And these storms bring temporary relief as they lower temperature and may bring light rain and cool breeze. Because of this storm, it will happen, the air pressure from the low pressure areas, wind will come to this high pressure, from the high pressure area, wind will move to the low pressure area in the to North India. So they may get, it is not compulsory, they may get small rains, or and it will sometimes they will get the cold breeze also. That not in every time, once in a while it is happening. This is also a season for localized thunderstorm associated with violent wind and torrential downpours often accompanied by hail, and in the West Bengal these storms are known as the Kal Baisakhi. What they are calling in West Bengal, they are calling it is Kal Baisakhi, and it is with the thunder it is coming, and at the same time hails means the pieces of ice pieces it will fall down with rain, like that rains also used to get in the summer season in North India. And that is not like a small stones, it is little bit bigger, and it can that pouring of that hail rain, because of that one the glasses of the vehicles or the plant leaves of the plant and flowers of the plant, everything it will take it out. That much forcefully it is coming to down, because it is coming from kilometers away. And in the way, towards the close of the summer season, pre-monsoon showers are common, especially in Kerala and Karnataka. In the coastal area, we are getting the like this rains, the summer rains, and we will call it mango rains or the coffee rains, like that different names we are given. They help, it is in the early ripening of mangoes and often referred to mango showers. And what we are getting in Kerala and Karnataka, it is very useful for mangoes as well as coffee seeds, coffee plants. So some area it is known as the coffee rain showers, and some area it is known as mango showers, and it is helping to ripening the mangoes very faster. The next one is the advancing monsoon or the rainy season. In the early June, the low pressure conditions over the northern plains intensified. It attracts the trade wind of the southern hemisphere, and the southeast trade wind originates over the warm subtropical areas of southern ocean. They cross the equator and blow in the westerly direction and entering to the Indian peninsula as the northwest monsoon. As these winds blow over warm ocean, they bring abundant moisture to the subcontinent. These winds are strong and blow at the average velocity of 30 kilometers per hour. With the expectation of the extreme northwest, and the monsoon winds cover the country is about a month. And if you are looking back to the going back to the map, what we have seen in month of June, what is happening, we can see that one in month of June. We can see the wind is blowing from this Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean or Indian Ocean. It is coming to crossing the equator. This is the equator, and it is crossing and coming to the Indian Peninsula. It is coming to Indian Peninsula. When it is coming in the in middle area, it is the hot subtropical area. Because of that one, it is carrying maximum moisture, which is what is evaporating with the help of heat or sunlight, and it is bringing much of moisture, and it is coming to Indian subcontinent or Indian peninsula, and we are getting the rainfall for 1 month, or within 1 month it will cover all India. We have seen that one, how it is moving from June 1st to July end. Up to that time we have seen that one. Okay, in this map we can see it is starting from June 1st in the southern part of India, then it will reach to Karnataka by June 5th, and it is reaching to Mumbai by 10th June, then it is reaching to Gujarat by 15th June, then in end part of Gujarat it is reaching by 1st July, and Rajasthan part it is coming by 5th July, 15th July, like that. So this is the position. By 1 month or 1.5 months we can see the wind is blowing, and we are starting to get the monsoon in every part of India. Then next one, the inflow of the southwest monsoon into India brings about a total change in the weather. Early in the season, the windward side of the Western Ghats receives very heavy rainfall. In the monsoon season, the starting itself, we can see in the western side of the Western Ghats, there it is receiving very heavy rainfall, that is more than 250 centimeter. The Deccan Plateau and parts of Madhya Pradesh also receive some amount of rainfall in spite of lying in the rain shadow area. Even though it is rain shadow area, the Deccan Plateau as well as Madhya Pradesh, it is coming as a rain shadow area, then also that part also we are getting rainfall. Maximum rainfall of this season is received in the northeastern parts of the country. Why? Because of the presence of the Himalayan ranges. Then Mausian is the southern ranges of the Khasi Hills receive the highest rainfall in the world. Please underline that one, where we are getting the, or in the world where we are getting highest rainfall, that is here in India. Rainfall in the Ganga Valley decreases from the east to west, from the eastern side, from West Bengal to when we are moving to Haryana or Delhi, like that area, it is coming decreased rainfall according to the movement from east to west. And Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat get scanty rainfall, they are getting very less rainfall. Another phenomena associated with the monsoon is its tendency to have breaks in the rainfall, and thus it has a wet and dry spells. In other words, the monsoon rain takes place only for a few days at a time, and we can see for 3-4 days we will get rain, again 2-3 days or 1 week we won't get any rain, like that breaks we can see it. There are interspersed with rainless intervals. These breaks in the monsoon are related to the movement of the monsoon through how the monsoon wind is moving. According to that, the interval is coming to in between. For various reasons, the through as its axis keep on moving northward or southward, while determines the spatial distribution of rainfall. When the axis on the monsoon through lies over the plains, rainfall is good in these parts. And on other hand, when the axis shifts closer to Himalayas, there are longer dry spells in the plain, and the widespread rain occurs in the mountainous catches areas of the Himalayan rivers. And we can see the rain. The distribution of rain, it is very place to place, and that is also getting in the interval also, in between interval. In Kerala or like that, Assam, like that area, the interval is very less. It may be 1 or 2 days. But here in Tamil Nadu, we can see that one when we are observing from June to September, we can see we are getting 2 to 3 days rain, then we are getting the gap of 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Again, we are getting 2 to 3 rains, like that. It is what I observed this year. I am not sure about, but in the what we are studying in the textbook, that one we are getting the, especially in the coastal area, we are getting the retreating monsoon maximum. Okay, we'll stop here and we will continue in next video.